What's up? This your boy Shamar Sledge, and I'm back with another video. So, in latest news, YouTube have started giving all the content creators that's in the YouTube partnership program 5 memberships a month, 5 free memberships that you're able to give to your audience, the people that rock with you on your page. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. I tried this way with the iPhone and the Android, and they both work the same for me. So you just simply go to the internet, whichever browser that you have on your phone, and then just type in YouTube. I also believe that you have to be live while doing it, but I'm not sure about that one. But you just simply go on over to the live that you're having now, and then just pull it up. Now listen, this next step you can use to maybe if you was wanting to join someone's membership, a content creator's membership, you can use this as well without having to find a link or having a certain iPhone link or a certain Android link. You can use this way. It works for me both ways. All you have to do is just go up there to the top of the screen, whichever way it is for Android or iPhone, but I'm using an iPhone right now. So at the top of the screen, it says like AA, or basically the browser settings and things. And then you just click on request desktop site. That's a key factor, y'all. Request desktop site. After you request a desktop site, it's going to give you a lot more options, and it's going to start, look at what we're looking at now. So we'll get to the free gifting in a minute. But far as the memberships, all you do after you do that, you just type in the content creator's name or go to their page, and then it'll have the join button. So yes, that's all it is. If you're trying to get someone's membership without the link and you have an iPhone, just go to your browser. Make sure you click on request desktop site, and then go to their page, and it'll be there. And you can also give memberships that way as well, because I know people be having trouble sometimes gifting free memberships to another content creator page, because it doesn't always provide you that option. So now you're just gonna click the $sign and then click on membership gifting, and boom, it's gonna let you know how many you have to gift. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just gift them out, and then voila. So yes, y'all, I hope this was very helpful to some. I know a lot of people were unsure on how to gift them, and how the gifting works, and I hopefully this helps someone with the the membership thing as well. So thank y'all for coming through. This has been your boy Shamar, and I'm out.